Today na kitchen culture shock for me, no be so. Idoma bride enter Adara kitchen, my people. I truly see shige. Oh yeah? Make una come close. See my board of directors. No be one, no, two of them.
Alright, mama.
I waka enter there like soldier. But inside, my leg they do it on my traditional dance because of fear. Good evening, ma. I don't ready for the lesson, so Mama start lecture for pure.
Okay, what is the name of this one? Ekpa.
See my face full of
Yes.
spiritual understanding. She did talk at 100 km and I just did there like yes, ma. Exactly. My people, I know hear one word, but the soup done already, they smell like success. So I just follow the scent. I be certified as a chef now. Follow me for more tips on how to stay alive for your mother-in-law kitchen. Make una see us for our next episode. Tell us waiting on our miss, and please subscribe to our channel if una love waiting on our watch. Thank you all. Bye bye.